welcome to another episode of CLM. Today we are with our brother,
Mr. Kunisa.
Thank you, Mr. Kunisa. One question for you. Ayipheli imini umfundisi engathanga.
Aibo amen.
Here with our lovely father.
Hello.
Ayipheli imini umfundisi engathanga.
Lento imanyanyani asidlali inkonzo apha.
We are with our beautiful mother here. Hi. Pheli imini umfundisi engathanga. Yeah. Nanzo. Ayipheli imini umfundisi engathanga. Izani bazalwane, izani. We are with our lovely brother here.
Siyamkela mlanjani.
Siyamkela mlanjana, sicela usixelele uba ayipheli imini umfundisi engathanga.
Injalo nje ubunkani bazalwane. Yiyo le.
And here is our lovely sister here. Asive, tell me my doll, ayipheli imini umfundisi engathanga.
Kayihlise ngo.
We are with our lovely brother here.
Bukho bakhe mbiza.
Thank you. Ayipheli imini umfundisi engathanga.
Hello.